a dire la verità. Il basilico deve essere molto curato perché se no patisce l'umidità. È stata una stagione balorda proprio. Si troverà sempre un rimedio a tutto, senz'altro, ma sarà da studiarci tante cose sopra, se no...
I have spent all my life exploring underwater, discovering its potential. This place, this community, it's in my blood. It's a somewhere I care about immensely. I believe if you look deep enough, there is always a solution. I knew from my experience that the temperature of the ocean was pretty stable. I thought, can we grow vegetables underwater? Imagine a greenhouse at the bottom of the sea. Difficult maybe to explain in words to everybody else.
Hearing my dad saying, hey, you know what we should do? We need to grow plants underwater. Why? Why should we do that?
Well, Luca reaction it's very respectful.
Absurd, psychotic, ridiculous. It didn't make sense at all, honestly. I remember the first experiments and this ridiculous balloon.
Penetri e arrivi in sufficiente potenza per far crescere.
Whenever he has an idea, for some reason, it just takes form. It's brought to life. That's when he just thought, geez, this can really help somebody. And then the storm hit.
To lose everything at that stage, it was hard to contain.
Questo basilico ha preso freddo e poi c'è poco da fare. Ma quello che dico la stagione, tutta l'aria.
We just couldn't give up. We had to see this through.
Luca's passion made me believe again. That was an act of love, an act of friendship.
Ma dovrebbero tenere l'acqua a un livello piuttosto basso, sufficiente perché le radici tramite il conetto. The resources we use on land right now will not be there in the future. They're scarce and they will run out. This idea that my dad dreamt about and we created together, this could really be something for the future. Something that could change the future we live in.
We are not 100% sure that we shall be successful, but we have to try. Just to try.